Good day, everyone. Our topic is planning processes under the fundamentals of business process outsourcing 102. This topic focuses on how projects are properly planned before execution. In business process, and even in any organization, planning is very important. It helps ensure that time, resources, and cost are managed effectively. Without proper planning, projects may fail due to delays, lack of resources, or budget problems. Session objectives. In this session, we aim to achieve three main objectives. First, we should be able to enumerate the critical elements in a project plan. These are the key components that make planning effective. Second, we should be able to define core planning processes. These are the planning activities that must always be done in every project. Third, we should understand facilitating planning processes. These are additional planning processes that improve project management, especially in well organized projects. These objectives guide us in understanding how structured planning leads to project success. Now, we proceed to the project plan. So, what is a project plan? A project plan is an approved document used to manage project execution. It serves as the roadmap of the project. It tells us what to do, how to do it, who will do it, and how much will it cost. The critical planning elements. There are three critical planning elements in a project plan: time, resources, and cost. First is time. Every project has a deadline, so scheduling tasks properly is very important. Second is resources. Resources, especially people, are limited. Proper planning ensures that tasks are assigned realistically. Third is cost. Every project has a budget limit. Planning helps control expenses and avoid overspending.
Core planning process. These are essentials plans that form the backbone of any project or initiatives. Scope plan outlines what work will be done, deliverables, objectives, and boundaries of their effort. Activity plan breaks down work into specific tasks, sequence them, and defines how to complete them. Resource plan details how resources will be allocated, managed, and utilized across activities. Cost plan estimates all expenses associated with the initiatives and set budgets for each component. Facilitating planning processes. These plans support and enable the core processes to run smoothly. Organizational plan defines the structure, roles, responsibilities, and reporting relationship of the team or group. Staffing plan identifies the personnel needed, their skills, and how they will be recruited, trained, and assigned. Quality plan establishes standards, matrix, and procedures to ensure deliverables meet acquired quality levels. Risk management plan identifies potential risk, assesses their impact, and outlines strategies to mitigate or respond to them. Communication plan specifies how information will be shared, with whom, when, and through which channels. Procurement plan details how external goods or services will be acquired, including sourcing, contracting, and vendor management.